Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at Black & Decker's 32-ounce citrus juicer. I have mine in white, and this thing's absolutely amazing, and it comes to us from the great company Black & Decker. And you know how much I love their stuff. All my power tools are Black & Decker, and the reason I always choose Black & Decker when it's an option, because it's built to last, high quality, and I never have to worry about it being a subpar product. Every time you get something from Black & Decker, you're getting a premium brand and a premium product. So let me give you 5 reasons why I love this product. First off, it's auto-reversing. The auto-reversing juicing cone gets the maximum extraction. Have it push hard and get all the way in, and then reverse and get all that extra juice out. A lot of citrus juicers will only go one way, and that leaves a lot of juice up by the peel. This is going to make a world of difference for getting you the most juice out of every single orange. It also has the adjustable pulp control and the pulp basket. Pulp collects in the removable basket so you can throw it out or use it in other recipes. That's just a nice design. I like a little pulp in my orange juice, and you know, there's a lot of reasons that you're going to be using pulp in your cooking. So the easy to empty basket for pulp is going to make this a notch above the competition. The number 3 reason I like this so much is the easy to read measurement. The markings are clear on the side and makes it easy to read and work with your different recipes. If you want to get exactly 8 ounces, you can get exactly 8 ounces out of this. The number 2 reason that I like this so much is the drip-free pour spout. A lot of juicing containers just juice into a bucket. And then how do you get it out without getting juice everywhere? We know how sticky the juice can get. This is well designed, has a great pour spout to where you can pour your juice into your glasses without any problems. It's also a very compact design and only 8.9 inches by 6.4 inches wide. This thing will go easily into your cabinets. You can put it away and then bring it out on for that Sunday brunch when you want fresh mimosa, fresh orange juice. This is incredible. Go get a basket of oranges. Treat the whole family to fresh orange juice without all the sugars that you're going to get in those containers that you get from the store. All right, finally, what I like most about this, I said it before, it's not just the clear juice container, the durable plastic, the easy washable plastic you can put in the dishwasher. It's the fact that it's a Black & Decker. Gosh, I love Black & Decker, and Black & Decker has been in business for about 100 years, making high-quality products that are built to last. It's easy to assemble, it's easy to use, it's got quality material, it's easy to clean. If you're looking for a high-quality product, always go with Black & Decker. It has easy cord storage, it's dishwasher safe, high-quality plastic, got measurement on the sides. It's got that little pulp basket that not everyone has, and it's got the reversing cones. You get 2 cones actually with it, just so you know. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that are really going to do the trick in your kitchen. I love cooking. This is BPA free, and you're going to love it. All right, folks, Black & Decker, this is a premium brand. Don't take my word for it. Go ahead and pick it up for yourself. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Again, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Thanks for watching, and say it with me. Adios, amigos.